Alright, so I recently got a new electric drum, and the problem is I live in a apartment complex on the second floor, and the bass drum tends to vibrate really badly. It can carry downstairs. I haven't talked to my downstairs neighbor about whether that's a problem, but I figured I'd take care of it anyway. So over in that corner you can probably see there's a bass drum. So what I did is I got a couple of basic supplies. I got a couple of screws, a couple of washers, cheap package of tennis balls. I got this piece of wood that is just slightly bigger than the pedal and the kick sensor itself, and this like foamy work mat thing so that'll kind of dampen the sound and give it some grip. And so I'm going to build that a little floating platform for it, and in theory that should mean that my downstairs neighbors don't have to hear quite as much noise. So let's go ahead and build it. So I've chopped each of these tennis balls in half. I didn't have a saw or anything, so I used a bread knife that was going to get thrown out anyway, and it worked well enough. Alright, now the next step is attaching this rug to this board. Trying to get a good, nice grip around that. Alright, so there is our platform. Now we're going to add the tennis balls. Alright, that should be about it.